Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I am doing a pretty much full wrap using 3 different vinyls from Peachy Olive Glitters. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. I'm starting with a 20-ounce stainless tumbler from the Stainless Depot, and I got all of these vinyls from Peachy Olive Glitters, and they are just so stinking adorable. I got this plaid one and the strawberry seeds, and then the next one is just strawberries. So I wanted to go ahead and do something with these, and I cut out for the very bottom just this, I don't know, maybe 3.5 inches tall, and I'm going to go ahead and I've already prepped my tumbler and cleaned it with alcohol, and I'm just going to flip this over, put the back on, and then wrap it around the bottom of the tumbler so that it is nice and straight. Once I know it is nice and straight, I'm going to go ahead and remove that little piece from the back and lay down the vinyl, and then remove the backing for the remainder of it. And I smoothed down the bottom as much as possible so that when I go to cut off the bottom, I get a nice, clean, straight cut. And I'm going to use my cup edging tool from Cami Page Boutique and just go around removing that little bit from the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the other vinyl. So I'm going to do a split using the seeds and the strawberries. So I am going to go ahead and line up the side of it with the backing of the tumbler where the seams come together, just so that you actually won't be able to see any seams once this is completely finished. So I'm going to smooth that down as best I can and try to get all of the air bubbles out. And I do the same thing for the seeds. And you can notice that up at the top, there is a bunch of stainless showing, and at the bottom there is stainless showing, and I'm going to cut off a little bit of excess from the seed side just so that it's even. I'm going to paint that, and I mix this pink up with some Crystalac glitter glue, thinking that it would be a better coverage than it really is, but it's fine because the glitter, once it's on there, you really can't see it anyway. So I'm going to use just regular Crystalac glitter glue and kind of go up over the edges because I want it to kind of waterfall a little bit over and all blend so well together. And I'm going to use these chunky pink glitter that I had got from Amazon like, I don't know, 3-4 years ago. And if I can find it, I'll link it in the description box. So I'm adding that onto the bottom, cascading up, and then at the top, cascading down. And then I'm going to use Flamingo by the Peachy Olive Glitters and completely cover the bottom and the top as well. And then I'm going to let this set off to dry. Once that's dry, give it 2 coats of epoxy, and this is what we are left with. And I made up this decal that says sweetest in the patch. Just thought it was perfect for a strawberry tumbler. And I used a green mirror chrome vinyl, and it's just so pretty. So I'm going to add this onto the back, which is on the seed side. And then I also cut out some strips to go along the sides and around the middle. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the strips on the side. And this is of that same mirror chrome. And I want to say that I cut this at 0.125 inches wide and then 11 inches long, which the length really doesn't matter because I'm just going to cut off the excess anyway. And it matched fairly well to the green that's in the plaid and to the green that's in the strawberries. So I am going to go ahead, go all the way around, and then I do take another piece of vinyl on either side where all those seams are and cover those up as well. And then in order to cut this off, I did cut the strip a little bit down because I didn't want it covering up all of that glitter. So I kind of gonna right underneath where the glitter ends, and then the same thing at the bottom. Once that's done, I am going to seal all of this vinyl with the Ccdiy clear coat and give it 2 final coats of epoxy. And after that epoxy is cured, this is what we have. And I think it is so stinking cute. It's just a sweet little strawberry tumbler. But this will be available on the website if you are interested. I thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.